So we're here in Tampa, Florida for the RV Super Show, and we decided to come over here to Force Customs where Oliver Travel Trailers is set up. Aaron and Josh with Oliver's here. We're gonna ask them a couple questions today about the new 2024 models of the Elite and the Elite 2. And we're gonna cook a breakfast this morning. We figured that's the least we can do for anything to do for us. So let's go over there, let's get to cooking some breakfast. Got my coffee, can't forget that. Make sure this is on. All right, so we're doing Aaron's favorite this morning. Also our specialty, we're doing breakfast tacos. We're gonna put a little bit more into it, so we're gonna make some guacamole with it as well. So hopefully it turns out good. I know Aaron's a professional chef. He does a lot of videos on cooking. So hopefully we can impress him. I don't know, it's our guy's favorite. So they at least eat it, you know? I cook it, they eat it, you know? They don't really have a choice, I guess. So anyway, let's get cooking. So we got our onions and green pepper chopped up. We're gonna oil up this black top. We're gonna put those on, let them start cooking. Here, let them sizzle down. We're gonna start saute them. I'll give those a couple minutes here real quick to cook. And then we're gonna throw our sausage on. Not coming out very easily. Don't worry, we'll get everybody. Can't waste it. We got guys to feed over here, man. So it's hot too. It's hot sausage. Gotta get it. Gotta get it all out. Look at all that. That's wasteful. I don't have any garlic powder, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this minced garlic just on here to give it a little bit of flavor on those onions and green peppers. That hot sauce is gonna have enough flavor on it, but I just love garlic, so we're gonna add that on there. No such thing as too much garlic, by the way. Now we're gonna do our eggs. Thanks to Gavin, we got these farm fresh eggs. He's got like 40 something chickens, so we get a bunch of eggs from him. So every time we travel, we just bring a bunch of these eggs with us. They're way better than the store-bought.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Not too much milk, not too big.
I think we just put like 2 minutes straight into the video.
Alright, looks like everything's just about done cooking, so it's perfect time to put our eggs on there. Go ahead and just pour those bad boys right up on there. Just gonna mix in with all that grease on the back, unfortunately. Hopefully like hot sausage and grease. You know, but like I said, it's the CGI special. Our guys, they at least eat it, you know. Get our avocados real quick, which I think are in the truck. Yeah, sitting right next to our Scrub Daddy. Make sure you got that. If you don't have a Scrub Daddy, you need one. Especially on the road. I don't know which ones are better. This one's definitely done. I think that'll be enough. Juggle the 2 avocados because you can't do 3, you know? If you guys have a sharper knife, that's...
Use the same knife you cut the sausage with.
I know I use a spatula.
Oh, okay.
We don't cross-contaminate here.
That's good. That's good.
At least
Safe practices.
At least not on a video. You know, before you serve food or anything, you might want to make sure you clean your plates.
What?
Is that clean enough?
We got paper plates. We have paper plates.
Oh yeah, let's do
So this is a Blackstone. This is no Blackstone.
It's a razor stone.
Look, we can't. We don't buy. We don't buy brand name.
I'm joking. We live in a tent. So mashing avocados on a plate. You know, we'll have a travel trailer eventually. Oliver travel trailer. They're gonna give us one. We got our guacamole made up. Second fork, didn't break it. Doing pretty good. Put a half a tomato in there. You know, I only got 2 avocados, small ones, and then a little bit of lime. I don't have any salt, pepper, garlic, anything like that. So it's just what it's gonna taste like here.
Hey, is breakfast ready yet?
Yeah, come get some.
Be there in just a minute.
All right, Aaron. So you rolled yours into a burrito. It's not a taco.
Was it supposed to be a taco?
It was supposed to be a taco, but burrito works.
I mean, Mexican food is just folded differently anyways. But no, it's good. I really like it.
Is it?
Spicy sausage?
Spicy sausage. Gives it a little more kick.
Exactly.
Very good. Homemade
Good.
guacamole. Couldn't ask for anything better.
So the chef
I
approves.
approve.
Awesome.
We're gonna have to have a burrito all.
Yeah.
We are. We'll have to come down to Hohenwald. Get a
little-
burrito contest going.
Trailside bites, crossover.
Josh, how is it?
Very good.
So we're here in the new 2024 Elite One with Aaron from Oliver Travel Trailers. We're going to talk a little bit about the 2024 changes from the previous year. So Aaron, can you tell us a little bit about what's different?
Yeah, absolutely. There's some new and exciting things happening company-wide. We're going to a dealership platform. So we're still selling trailers out of the mothership, like we like to call it. But we're kind of expanding our network. So we're picking specific dealerships all across the country. And that allows us to do a couple of different things. It allows people to see the Oliver all across the country. But it also opens us up to a service network all across the country. So you can now have a trusted resource for your trailer to be taken care of. Physical things that are new and different on the 2024s. A couple design changes, nothing major. The bones are still the Oliver bones.
Okay.
Upgraded shower door. So a more reinforced shower with an actual handle. We changed our rear window, so it used to be a slide window with a screen. Now it's just a paned window, still an escape window and everything like that. So we're focused on safety with that aspect.
Yeah.
Changed the water inlets a little bit, so simplified it. We used to have 3 water inlets, one being a boondocking utility, and then the 2 being the freshwater and city fill. Simplified that, and so it's more user friendly from that aspect. Internally, a lot of the same aspects of the trailer. Simplified some of the interior decor options.
Okay.
And graphics. And then we're now only limiting to the frosted covers as well. And then for lighting, we used to run a touch light. They were a little bit finicky, so a lot simpler of a design. They're about the same footprint, but they just have a toggle switch, so user friendly there as well.
Okay.
Other than that, same great company. We're just kind of growing and expanding our influence in the RV industry.
I like it.
So.
Sounds like a lot of quality of life changes, but basic, same high standard that you guys have.
Absolutely, not
Perfect.
changing any of that. Just kind of refining the product and still passionate about what we do.
Awesome. Well, we look forward to working on these new 2024s and really appreciate you having us out here in
Absolutely,
Tampa.
absolutely.
And hopefully you guys had a good week.
We did. It's definitely colder than I expected for being Florida, but
A little better than hole in wall.
a little better than hole in wall with 6 degrees and 6 inches of snow. But yeah, we've had a good week and ready to get home.
Awesome.
So,
Well, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank
We'll
you.
get some video of the trailers and we'll see you guys back at home.
come on.